This is our giant tortoise nursery that we have on Alphonse. In here they get used to roaming around and foraging until we release them so that they're free on the island. The giant tortoises actually were pushed to extinction across many of the Seychelles Islands, which is why ICS reintroduced them in 2007. So this is the Aldabra giant tortoise that we've got here. There's only giant tortoises in one other area of the world, which is the Galapagos, and these Aldabra giant tortoises are endemic, so they're pretty special. Giant tortoises actually provide a very important ecological role on the island. They scuff up the ground as they walk through the forests, which is important for some of our land birds. They're quite good at covering difficult terrain. The only problem that they sometimes have is if they flip over by accident. Usually they can recover themselves, but particularly for the ones here in the nursery, it's something we have to look out for. We keep the baby hatchlings inside this nursery just to protect them from predation, because as you can see, when they're born they're very small. This one's already a couple of months old, but yeah, they are quite vulnerable because they've got soft shells, so things like rats and cats, these invasive species, can predate on them. It's a massive shame really. The rats came on ships to Alphonse many years ago, and I think the cats were actually introduced to control these, so yeah, it's a big problem on the island. It's a classic story across islands particularly. Amazingly, this tiny guy here can actually grow up to be 300 kilos and live for almost 200 years, which is pretty special. We did a census last year and we found we've now got 77 individuals free roaming across Alphonse. With them living up to 200 years, this is definitely going to be a long-term project.